extra paint and see what comes of it. Got some nice ocean colors, so don't have that much excess. Well, let's get this canvas covered and turn up the spinner. You can see all the beachy type colors there. Okay. Outsmart the bottle that thinks it's outsmarted me. I like the colors. I like the blues and the greens. Setting off with this. And we will give it a spin. Get the spinner. Decorate the table. Okay. Now let's let it spin. Slow down a little bit. Let's see what we got. That's kind of cool. You got this. You still kind of got that central beach vibe going on in the center, but kind of explosion out to the sides. So Artist Corner, again, listen, thank you so much for stopping by. You got suggestions for colors you want to see in a future spin art? Go ahead and post a comment. You have other ideas that you want me to do for my acrylic pour painting? Put it down in the comment. Please subscribe and like. And thanks again for coming by.